All right, what I want to show you today is a telescopic pole, which is pretty much just an extension pole. So right now at its shortest, it's 4.5 feet, and it goes all the way up to 20 feet once you extend it out. You just open it, extend it, lock it in place. So this thing is to change light bulbs. So if you have high ceilings, it works great. So you have a 3.4-inch gripper here. So this is the bigger one. So you put the light bulb and you put it and tighten it. And when you take it out, so you put on the light bulb, when you pull it down, this thing gets smaller because you're extending it and it grips down the light bulb. So that's how it's able to grip. Plus it has these little rubber sleeves here, which give it more grip to grab onto the light bulb and it doesn't damage it. And this is a smaller one. This one's 2-inch. So for the longer light bulbs, you use this one. And same thing, has a little rubber sleeves all the way around on each one of the little arms or fingers. And it works the same way. It bends and then it tightens when you pull. It also has this cleaning cloth, which is the little cloth which you put over the suction cup. The suction cup is right here. So this one is for those light bulbs that are wide. Those big ones that don't fit in here, use a suction cup. You get it stuck, you go on there, tighten it. And then this little string, you pull it so it lets air in and releases the suction, so you're able to release it. So that's everything it comes with. It has instructions right here. It shows you the different types of light bulbs there. The thin ones for the 2-inch one and the wider ones for the 3.4-inch ones. So let me go ahead and demonstrate how to use it. And yeah, real quick, each one of these grippers has this right here. So you see that little screw? So it just tightens it more in place, just so it could secure it, so it doesn't move or fall off. So once you loosen it, go ahead and screw this in. Once you got it all the way in, then you tighten this part right here, just for extra security, so you can make it more secure. So there you go. That's how it looks, nice and tightened. So the first floor of my house, I have high ceilings. So you could see I have it at the shortest setting. And there's the ceiling. I can't touch it, obviously. So in order to change out this light bulb, I put the bigger one because it's the old light bulbs for my ceiling fan. So when you put it in there, it's gonna pinch it once you push. It pinches it. You unscrew it. You see the light turned off. A little more. There we go. So took off the light bulb without stepping on the bed, using a ladder, just with this by itself. And there you have it. Light bulb's intact. Same way to put it back in.